In this step-by-step video, you will learn how to replace the parts in your helmet. Let's begin. Visor mechanism replacement. To remove the visor of your STUDDS Thunder helmet, open the visor fully first. Then, pull the visor opening lever and gently pull it forward. The visor will detach from its casing as shown in the video. Repeat the process on the other side and pull the visor outward. Now, to remove the visor mechanism, open the two screws first and then pull out the entire mechanism carefully from its slot using your fingertips. Keep all the parts safe. You will need them to reassemble the visor later. To install, place the visor mechanism back in place in the notch provided as shown here. Gently tighten the two screws using a screwdriver. Now, align the visor on top of the visor mechanism and gently snap it in place. Finally, operate the visor to check if it is working properly. Mouth vent cover replacement. Your STUDDS Thunder helmet comes with mouth vent to circulate air. To remove the mouth vent, pull out the cover plate using your fingertips and then remove the base plate. To install the mouth vent back again, fix the base plate on the slots in the helmet and then snap the cover plate in place. You may need to adjust the position of the mouth vent from close to open as necessary. Top vent cover replacement. The helmet comes with replaceable top vent covers. To remove the top vent cover on your STUDDS Thunder helmet, use the tips of your finger to remove the covers one by one. To install the top vent covers back in place again, put the vent pieces in place and snap it gently. Operate the vent levers to check if it is working properly. Cheek pad replacement. Your helmet comes with removable cheek pads. To remove the cheek pad, gently pull the cheek pad from the front and you will hear a click sound of the two buttons opening. Then, pull on the inner side of the cheek pad such that the plastic sheets come out of the helmet. To install the cheek pad, push the plastic sheet inside first and then snap the cheek pads back in place. Liner replacement. To remove the liner, first remove the cheek pads and then snap open the two buttons on the back of the helmet. Lift the visor and unlock the three snap locks of the bandana in the front of the helmet one by one and pull out the entire liner from the bottom of the helmet. To put the liner back in place, align the bandana with the snap locks provided in the helmet. Now, gently snap the bandana in its place. Do a final check to see whether everything is in place and operating correctly. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, visit www.studds.com or get in touch with your nearest STUDDS dealership.